Hello friends, welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. I hope you liked my previous videos. So in today's video, I will make a simple impeller with AutoCAD 2013. So let's start by making its base feature. I'll take circle command. I'll make a circle of radius 20 units. Now go to 3D workspace and I'll extrude it 2 units. For a better visibility, I'll change it to shaded view. Now I will make another circle with same center and radius 4 units, and another with radius 3.2 units. Now press pull this small region and give it a height of 30 units. Now union these two bodies if required. After making this feature, I will make a simple line along this curve. But before making that, I will create a new layer. And name it line. Color this layer if you like, and make this layer active. Now select line and make a line of length 4 units. I'll select line command again and I'll make another line of length 30 units, which is equal to height of extrusion of the cylinder. Now I will divide this line into 8 different sections by using point command. But before making that, I will hide this object from drawing view. To hide it, go to layers and make layer containing that object off. Now we have only 2D profile left here. Now again go to divide and select your object to divide. Enter 8 in number of divisions and press enter. Now this line is divided equally into 8 sections. Now we will make lines along this, but before making that, I will select this view, make this view the current one, the XY plane. Again, go to line command, and here is our first point. Make a line of length 2 units. Again, press space bar to repeat line command. Make another line of length 4 units, and similarly repeat this process for consecutive lines with length in the multiple of 2. And our last line will be of length 16 units. Now, to make this view appear clearly, I'll turn off grid. Now, here we can see our 2D sketch. Now I'll go to layer and make our 3D layer on once again. Now go to UCS, view face, and select face to this. Make this face as current face. Now I will rotate all these lines with rotate command at angle of 6 degree each. But again, before making that, I'll have to turn this layer off so that I can see my drawing clearly, my 2D drawing clearly. Go to rotate, select a line, enter. Select base point and specify angle as -6 degrees. Next, specify other angles in the multiple of 6 units. Now, here after making this rotation, you can see the 2D sketch. Now select spline, and make a spline along endpoints of all these lines which we have made. Now you can see basic sketch of our propeller fin is almost ready. Now go to surface and select network. Select these sketches in one direction and press enter. Now select this and this one and press enter again. Once you press enter, the selected profile will be converted into a surface. Now we will attempt to make it a solid. Go to thicken and select your surface and press enter. Now apply a thickness of 0.3 units. You can see that this object is now converted into a solid with thickness 0.3 units. If you feel 0.3 unit is a little bit not sufficient, then change it to 0.5. Select it, press enter and change this value to 0.5. Now the thickness of this fin seems quite perfect. So go to layers and make this layer on. Now we can see our fin along with main body. Next, I'll go to polar array, select this fin, enter, specify base point and in number of items write 16. You can select any number of fins you like, but according to this geometry 16 seems perfect, so I've selected 16. You are free to select any number of fins. After completing this, close array. Now our impeller is almost ready. All we have to do is make some final adjustment to it. So before making those final adjustment, I will union all these body into a single entity. For that I will use union, select all these bodies and press enter. Wait for a while, and now this is completely a single body. Now select this face and make a rectangle. But before making this rectangle, you have to change the face and make it XY plane. Now again I'll make a rectangle, just of any length, but just take care that this rectangle should pass the length of the cylinder. Use extrude and extrude it on other side also. Now I will subtract these geometries. Select subtract your main geometry, press enter, and the subtracting geometry. You can see that unwanted area has been removed. You can perform same operation to remove this unwanted area on this base cylinder. For that, go to this view and make it current view. Make a circle of 19 radius. Now go to press pull and select this small region, the small area that encloses this line and end of the cylinder. Select it and press pull it downwards. Once you press pull, the geometry is cleaned. It's actually removed. Our shaft is almost ready. All we have to do is get rid of this 2D geometry. For that, you can simply move this 3D drawing to some other place and delete this geometry completely. You can see our 3D impeller is complete. Thank you guys for being with me. Have a nice day.